Night of the White Elephant, Williamsburg, Brooklyn, 1 December. The white elephant, like the snow, like a cloud or the moon, the song of a bird, the laughter of a child, the rare and sacred gifts that come our way in this world from nature, from life beyond culture, from the oceans of our imaginations that need not be useful at all to be valuable, whose beauty, transcendent beauty, intangibility, and freedom from practicality make them all worth our appreciating on any sunlit day, on any starlit night.